In this video we will learn how to approve or reject attendance request in FlowHCM. First of all, we will log in into FlowHCM portal. Here is the dashboard. Click on the attendance module on top navigation bar. So here you can see attendance approval form. Here you can see all the filters for selection criteria of approvals. Request type drop-down shows all types of requests that can be viewed. Select attendance from drop-down. In the grid below you can see list of requests. You can either approve or reject any request and enter comments. Then save. System will show a small pop-up indicating that your request is successful.